Today, let's do the track following. The goal here is to write a Python code that will make the drone fly around the track and hit every one of the red spot, and do it under 220 seconds. This demonstration is sped up to save time, but you get the idea. The drone has two laser beams that detects distances. If the left side measures distance greater than the right side, then the drone is going off the racetrack. If the right beam is longer than the left beam, then the drone is going off the track on the right side. That's how the drone knows whether it is on the correct path. So, in order to control the drone's direction of movement, we need to write a Python code to fire the right thrust, or to fire the left thrust, to control directions, or fire both at the same time to move forward. You can also make it go backward. Okay, here's the complete Python script, and I'll go through it line by line. These first 3 lines are just the usual setup codes, so I won't explain them. You can reference my previous video for explanation. This line, reference and load the first drone, and call it drone. Next, this entire block of code sits inside the while loop, which does the repeated calculation as the drone moves on the track. These 2 lines makes the 2 rocket thrusters fire together to move the drone forward. If both laser distances exceed 1.5 meters, that means the drone has gone off the racetrack completely. It needs to back up. The 1.5 meter is an approximate distance from laser to the racetrack surface. I figured this out by trial and error. These next 2 lines commands the thrust to fire with -150 value, so the drone moves backwards. Next task, this entire block manages what to do if the left side senses going off track. Firstly, the if statement checks if the left laser distance is greater than 1.5, and if it is going off track. Next, these 2 lines cuts the thrust to 0, so the drone stops moving forward. This while loop fires the left thrust only, as long as the left laser measures greater than 1.5 meters. This pushes the drone back on track. Then both thrust fires to move forward again. Alright, this next block does the exact same thing as the previous block, except it's for the right side now. Okay, there we have it. This big while loop contains codes that maintains the drone on track. And this last bit here closes the program. Hope you like it. See ya.